Lilybug Toys. Hey guys, welcome to Lilybug Toys, and today I'm going to be showing you the giveaway package I won. I won this giveaway from Shopkins_Sizzles. This is worth over $100 in Shopkins merchandise, and I'm going to make a part 1 and a part 2. Part 1 will be showing you all the stuff I won, and part 2 will be opening it all up. So let's get started. I've already opened up the package, so all there is right here is bubble wrap. And she put in a note. It says, "Dear Lilybug Toys, congrats on winning the Shopkins prize pack. Hope you enjoy it. Shopkins_Sizzles." And thank you so much for sending me this and hosting this giveaway. It is truly an amazing giveaway. And first thing is a Shopkins backpack. This is super cute, and it is a rolly backpack. Okay, so let's see what's on the inside. Oh, it looks awesome. The first thing out of this package is, oh, cute, a little Shopkins backpack. You can carry around your Shopkins. Super cute. Next thing is Shopkins Legos. I do not have any of these yet, so I'm super excited to get some of them. Oh, a cute Shopkins water bottle. Shopkins lip balm. I have not seen these in stores, so I'm glad I got these. This is an activity album with stickers and 10 fun pages. Ooh. Okay, this is probably my favorite thing I got in the package. It is a cookie coloring thing. It's coloring fun. You get these markers and you can color it. And then you can wash the colors out. Ooh. It's a sticker and activity book. Looks like fun. A Season 3 12-pack. Wall stickers. Two slap bracelets. I was also super excited about this because I do not have any of the Shopkins trading cards yet, and these are some character cards. Shopkins pencils. 2 Season 2 blind bags, 1 Season 3 blind bag, and the last thing in this package was this Shopkins hair clip. It accidentally fell out. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you watch part 2 so you can see me open up all this. And thank you so much, Shopkins_Sizzles, for sending me all these amazing things. Bye!